Hi guys, welcome back to another unboxing. So this is after a long time that I actually know what shoe I should be expecting today. It's or shall I just let you guys guess? What do you think it is? Well, you can see the Gore sign there already. Okay, so it's the Jordan 1 Element by Gore-Tex. It's like a light curry color. The shoe actually did sell quite well, but it did manage to get a pair. I didn't expect it to sell as well as it did. It's because I'm sure, as you guys know, the Gore-Tex Jordan 1 sell at a premium price. But yeah, there we go. Here's the shoe. There is something inside it. There's lots of paper inside it. Oh, I like the way the Gore-Tex is written there. And as you can see, because it's oh, it's not a Zoom Comfort, it's just a Jordan. Okay, well then for Jordan this is really impressive. Just a regular Jordan 1, because see how the tongue is not extra thick though. Just there's a lot of padding here. Yeah. There is something inside it, keep that in mind, but it still presses quite well. This is supposed to be leather. I'm not sure what material that is. Oh, but the swoosh feels really nice, whatever it is. Oh, that looks very cool. Okay, so I'm going to do a 360 view, as well as, because it's a Gore-Tex, I think we have to put it to the test and do the water test of it. So Gore-Tex Jordans are supposed to be water resistant. So the color is actually not as bright as it's showing in the picture. It's more like that color, so it is a curry color. Yeah, it's not a bright yellow, but it's a clean looking shoe, eh? Very nice. I can't think though, is this more of a masculine shoe or feminine shoe? That's what other people would see when they're talking to you. That's what you would see if you were wearing the shoe. Yeah, I can't think though if it's I can't put my finger on it. Is it a masculine shoe or feminine shoe? Why don't you guys let me know what you think in the comments below. Yeah, but if I had to guess, I mean, if I had to choose a gender, I would say it's more of a masculine shoe. Yeah, I actually bought this pair for myself. Guaranteed to keep you dry. Okay, we have to do the test. Just give me a moment. Obviously, I'm not going to throw too much of water because we are working on my desk here, but that's a significant amount. You can see that. Yeah, let's pour it. And as you can see, it's water resistant. Oh, and these holes actually, they're not it's not focusing, but it doesn't go all the way through. So that's why, well, that's one reason why the water wouldn't go all the way through. And let's just, you know, for the sake of it, try another side of the shoe. Yeah, this part looks like it's material, so I'll try here as well. Yeah, shoe is completely dry. My table, on the other hand, it's not, but I mean, there is a little bit of water left in here, just for the sake of it. You can see it's just literally falling off the shoe. So if you're someone who, I don't know, works like the pool guy, in wet conditions and outdoors, but you still want to look fancy, I guess these Gore-Tex are the ones for you. Alright, cool. Catch you in the next one.